Man, I won the Stanley Cup. Show me some respect. Look at this photo.
You're wearing a fucking varsity jacket.
Yeah, I'm varsity hockey and I won the Stanley Cup.
High school Andy.
Norway Andy. How about that?
Caroline Andy.
Massive forehead, looking like I can land the goddamn ship on your forehead, Andy.
6-head Andy on one side and 4-head Andy on the other.
In love with someone who plays World of Warcraft all day, Andy.
Broken record Andy.
Enjoys butt stuff, Andy.
My butt's a one-way drive. Liar Andy.
Embarrassed now making up shit on stream, Andy.
Listen, I will fucking show my asshole.
Whoa, chill.
I don't give a fuck.
Chill.
Nothing goes in my asshole, dude.
Chill.
Boy Weatherspoon hit me up and proposed to start a channel with me as my editor, and the rest is history. So thank you for everything.
Hey
you've done
Daff,
for
I
the
recently
channel.
watched your Draw Your Life video and I think
It's
I
been a
understand
stranger
you
for me,
better
that's for
now.
sure.
My life
Wanting
has
to
been
die.
hard.
Oh my god,
Been
shut
living
up!
with leukemia
Sorry.
for 8 years
Oh,
now
fuck.
and I have had thoughts about ending my life, but now I hope that I can turn it around.
I hope you can
Thanks.
too.
Okay, you happy about yourself? You happy? Kickstarter was a loot for fear. Oh, God. Bella might need to go to the bathroom. Fuck. I just took her out.
League, we could play League. Lucari's crying. Sorry, Lucari, love you. Oh, fuck. Holy
Hey,
shit.
it's Blade knocking. Can I enter?
Dude Sue.
Sue.
Just a forward.
Oh! Oh, what?!
Wait, 4? Oh, 4.
Yeah, of course Daff knows.
What?
This is such an accurate drawing.
Oh, I saw this in my DMs.
Exactly. You should know it.
Oh. What the fuck? Oh my god! What is
Oh, that's a leg! Wait! Oh, yeah,
That's
it's a
just
leg.
another leg.
No, Mayor! No!
What are you doing? Don't write bad words! Stop! Why would you do that?
Sushia, are you serious, dude? No way. Chat, if you don't know who the fuck this girl is, it's pretty much everyone in this chat besides like 2 people, okay? No. Alright, so who she is like 12 months ago, she liked me, right? Which means I doubled my view count. So she liked me a lot. So she was constantly trying to message me. She was trying to like hang out with me all the time. You know, she was trying to slide in the E-Rob's DM. She got so desperate. So she was doing all those things, and she kept coming on my streams. I'm like, oh, cool, a girl. And then she's like, we found out some really weird things about her, and we never wanted to talk to her again.
Oh. Why doesn't this work? Uh-oh. 3 million. 3. Do you know the number?
Yes!
Wait, are numbers the same in Korean and English? No, they're not. There's no way that's true. Oh, yeah, 3 million. Here. Am I an idiot?
Yes?
Chat?
People only watch me because it's gay to jerk off to Ms. Kiff and not to me. That's really weird. I wish I didn't say that.
on, baby. We're good?
Oh, you
We're
gonna
good?
fall off.
I'm first?
You gonna fall off.
Don't fall. Don't fall.
No way!
No! No!
No!
Yeah!
Oh!
Oh, fuck! Ow! Fuck! Ow! Oh! Oh!
Damn.
EA spunk. It's in my ass.
I missed it. What did I miss?
Is there a tax for the mom? What's the mom tax?
They already paid up.
Oh, sour tax.
Wait! What? Dude, stop! What? How? No, this is weird, dude.
Is there a tax for the mom? What's the mom tax?
They already paid up.
How did they know, though? Dude, I'm done watching those in.
I met her. She seemed really sweet. She was like, I watch your streams. It's like, thank you. Turns out she was getting that magician dick on the side.
Hassan, stop watching this too weird channel.
Hi, son. Ow!
Hassan, what the hell are you doing, man?
Thank you so much.
What phase of mitosis is this gluitard?
Hassan, you son of a bitch, get the hell out of here.
Fucking assholes.
Hassan, what the hell are you doing, man?
What phase of mitosis is this gluitard?
Hassan, you son of a bitch, get the hell out of here.
Oh, we did it!
Oh, fuck! I missed it! I missed it! Are you kidding me? I literally missed it! The second I clicked this on stream, I missed it! Are you serious?
I mean, look at me. I met my man in Thailand. We had nothing to do with each other. Now we're dating, and we're happy, and I'm pregnant.
What?
I'm joking. I'm joking.
I don't have to. Okay, there's this thing. When I like a guy, I tend to ruin things.
Ooh, same.
I'm streaming on Twitch.
Oh.
Are you famous?
I don't know. I mean, what are they saying?
They're saying, who is that? Guy from Flash?
Oh, yeah, that's true.
Are you an actor?
Yeah.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
You're in movies and TV?
Yeah.
You're famous? Well, I'm internet famous. Are you actually famous?
I'm not into the famous.
You're in the Flash TV show?
Yes.
What the fuck? Are you serious?
Yeah.
What the dude? I'm like fake famous. I'm Twitch TV famous. You're actually.
You're working on it.
Well, no, I'm the highest paid on the platform right now.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow, that's dope, man. What's your name?
John Zerka.
John.
Yeah.
Jesse.
Dude, you're famous? What the? Oh, dude, what the hell? And Romeo. Oh.
15 more months and I hope I make it through my exam time now. XQCL.
Hello?
Alright, guys. 3, 2, 1. Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
No matter where we are, what we do, he always thinks that he's going to make someone laugh. Like, when we go to the gas station and we're paying, he tries to make those people laugh and they don't find it funny. And they've made that very clear. Or when we go to a regular store, or if he tries to make anyone laugh that it has no correlation to like gaming, they don't laugh. It's like very cringe to watch. It's not an example. One of the guys at the gas station like kind of knew who Tyler was because of his YouTube, and Tyler literally goes, yeah, I'm kind of a big deal, and the guy's just like, okay, it's $20.
God. What the fuck, bro?
You wanna, I think he wants, oh my god. Okay. 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 Dude, you cannot come in. 제발 들어오려 그래. 미쳤어. No, dude. No, boy, no. Are you thirsty? 아니, 진심. Look, oh my god, guys. 야, 미쳤어. He's trying to come in. Seriously, dude. Dude, you can't. Pervert raccoon. Oh my god.
According to Wikipedia, Jared Lazar, more commonly known by his online alias, Summit1Gram, is an American Twitch streamer and retired competitive Counter-Strike global offensive player who played for the recreational teams A51 and Team Mythic. Lazar gained a majority of his notoriety by streaming CS, Go, and Wars.
It's our best friend in the world.
Hey, what's up, Shorty?
Hello.
What's up, Shorty?
She has a boyfriend, I'm sorry.
You're short. What do you think about my push-up?
You're the shorty.
I
told you he said that when we were upstairs too.
I believe you, but hearing it was still weird.
Only take the analyzer, fucking moderator stance, sound filter, 6 monitors, pedals, drums, gaming guitar controller, 6 consoles, 10 computers, bunch of fucking wires, sound pads, speakers, antenna, satellite, dog cam, cat tree, cat this, and a bunch of dog shit, dude. They're ready to fucking analyze NASA's landing speeds, dude.
Hey, yo.
How is that funny?
Cat check.
Guys, how is that funny? Stop! I will copy strike you!
Michelle. How you doing, Michelle?
You want a burger?
French fries? What do you want?
Can't eat it. No French fries for you?
Two.
Yeah.
Lemon and this is mine.
You scared me.
Just give me a hug. I just wanted a hug.
I think you're drunk.
Okay, so
Only
I can't have a
when
hug?
you're drunk. Only when you are drunk, you are nice to me.
But I was nice to you all day.
You me and tell me to shut up and just like
What do I
talk to you and
Watch out.
So now it's getting
Wait, when you're making stuff up.
as easy as me.
Is that I feel like everyone on Twitch, like all of the fucking Twitch streamers, are literal vultures in the sense that like someone fucking subtweets and then another person immediately piles on the fucking subtweet. It's so fucking weird, dude. It is so weird. The way we treat content creators on this platform like they are disposable is already fucking weird to me as someone who, you know, is a content creator on this fucking platform, among other platforms. But then to top it off, on top of that, for other content creators who, if they were placed in a similar situation, would be fucking devastated, to jump on and like add on to the fucking subtweeting just so that like internet detectives can get a hold of what the fuck's going on and piece everything together is really fucked up. And it's really fucked up for the victims, especially because it comes across as though you do not give a fuck about these people at all. Okay, I think that guy was I loved it. The only Twitch meta that I'm prominently featured in is me rejecting women. What the fuck, dude? Literally, like, everyone will be like, Slicker, not partnered, or fucking 39 Daft sneezed one time. And it's like always like in the Twitch compilations. But it's only, the only Twitch compilations that I'm a part of prominently are Hassan Piker makes women cry. What the fuck? I have a method. I want to apologize to our fans, sponsors, and community. We feel let down by his behavior. What did he do? You got ninja looted? He ninja looted? Dude, I don't know anything. I don't know what that means. I don't know anything about he stole pixels in a video game. LOL! LOL, he stole a pixel! Imagine being kicked off a team for a pixel. Can't give people like an allowance to believe in nonsensical shit. Okay? Here's what I mean. This is a factually true statement. I don't care if people get mad at me and call me sexist. 99.8% of women believe in astrology. Sorry. Sorry. And everyone that says they don't, they still do. There you go. Completely anecdotal. Completely anecdotal. I'm making it. I'm fucking around. Of course that's not true. Of course it's not true. Of course it's not true. It's not true. In LA though, it's true. Everywhere else, probably not true. In Los Angeles though, very true. Okay?
I go just to go.
But you eating Korean
Wait.
food and you like a Korean BBQ and you like a K-pop and you now talk Korean girls.
Oh shit. Maybe I am a Korea boo. Oh my god. Am I?
You now perfect Korean boo.
Oh no.
Why? This is true.
Oh my god. What do I do? Korea boomer?
Moe moe face and moe moe voice, please. Okay? Please make a cute face. Yeah, cute face. じゃあキュンキュンポーズでお願いします。Like this, yeah. それではいきます。せーの。フリフリフリフリ。シャカシャカシャカシャカ。モエモエモエモエ。ニャンニャンニャンニャン。ランランワンワン。ふわふわふわふわ。ラクラクラクラク。ドキドキドキドキ。おいしくなれ。おいしくなれ。モエモエ。モエモエ。はいバッチリです。
Hey, E-Rob, hop on my board!
Alright, let me get up now, guys.
So there's a bunch of ruckus going on, and I'm like, yo, what the fuck's going on? And there's like 4 cops come in and fucking SWAT, and it's called Orange Crush. And they come to my bunk. I'm like, yo, somebody's about to get fucked, and they tackle me down. I'm like, yo, what the fuck's going on? What's going on? So they look up under my bunk, and they take out a shank about the size of this. It's on a toothbrush and razor blades, right? And like, yo, what the fuck is this, man? I'm like, yo, that shit ain't mine, man. That shit ain't mine. So they take me to segregation. I sit in there for 2 weeks under investigation. And so basically, these motherfuckers put a shank under my bed because my farts were so rancid that they couldn't handle it anymore. They didn't want to deal with it. So the cops told me that if I'm under investigation and they find out that the shank is mine, I'm gonna go to a fucking max prison and I'm gonna get 1 year across the board.
What pile or what row is your card in? Like this one?
The third?
This is so
stupid.
Yeah, it's so
you guys,
stupid.
can you just watch?
This is a long magic trick.
Well,
No,
it's
it's
so
not.
easy. I see what you're doing.
Yeah,
it's
that's what I'm saying. It's so easy.
You're gonna figure this. It's like you can't lose.
Pick 2 piles. Okay, pick 1 pile. Pick 2 cards. Is this your card?
No.
No, that was not a card. What the fuck?
Was it this one?
No.
No.
Was it this one?
Yes.
Fuck!
Yeah. Yeah, Rob is the Kappa face. I don't even know that. He is Kappa. No, really, yeah. No, it's actually true. I mean, look at the face. Are you kidding me? Look. He doesn't believe me. No one believes me whenever I say that. Okay, Kappa face, Rob.
I don't.
Can you still do it anymore? It's been a while. It's been like 8 years. He used to be on the OG Twitch team.
I used to have more hair back then.
Or Justin TV.
Do you reckon?
Hell yeah. And you know what else is really similar? Bryant is the what face emoji. Look at this. Yo, Bryant.
But he's not.
Wait, Bryant, come over here. Take off your glasses, Bryant. Wait, he has glasses, right? Oh, yeah, never mind. Okay, do the what face, Bryant?
Oh,
it's fucking Bryant, dude. It's Bryant.
So today I have a lot of chocolate. This is Twitch promote because this G-Star don't have G-Star codes yet. So I'm just let's go promote this G-Star chocolate. A lot of Korean maybe yes don't know Twitch people. I'm just send human this chocolate.